to subscribe and help the channel get to 200,000 subs. Welcome to Amavenzo TV. It's the MTN8, Kaizer Chiefs 0, Colonados 1. I'm joined by Ushaba and the future Amavenzo wetu.
Okay. Tibo. Akumnandanga tu.
Ukhala
Bengikhala ngedabi. Yeah, bengifuna le dabi lesidlale first ne second.
Yeah.
But unfortunately i-Chiefs man iyo ezibuyisele emuva.
Yeah,
yezidlisile kule game le. Bengekho difficult. Izidlise i-Chiefs 1 number 10 wabo akekho mnandi.
Ubani?
Umuntu obadlala i-10. Unqobo.
Yeah.
Abasothi out lapha ku number 10.
Yeah.
Yes, uyangithola.
Yeah.
And then babuye baze la ubani
Chase number 22.
Yeah. Mtasinga bekumele angamfaki. Yes umnandi.
Yeah.
But kule game ya today.
Yeah.
Bekumele noma amfake as a sub.
Yeah.
Abuyele ngoNdlovu and then noMabuwe.
Yeah.
Ngomthetho noMabuwe.
Yeah.
Uyangithola. Ibilahleka nedla ilona yapha. But anyway badlalile labafethu and then inhlanhla bengekho ngakubo. So yeah bengithi ngilethwe isafa la ukuthi ngizoscout lapha njengoba ngibona ngibafana today. Ngizobheka ukuthi iplayer lingawo representa le Chiefs kodwa angilibonanga. Kodwa ke okwamanje ake sithi nje sibuyele la.
Ikhiphe concert.
Asikhona so manje yeke istar ukuthi sani mawungenayo into ngeke understand yeke indaba yestar so asibuyele la no angisathathi kakhulu but ngifuna ukuthi ukhaya ashole ukuthi kwenzakaleni ngeChiefs
i-Chiefs sayibonga lokuthi ilusile because ayivele bengadeserve win.
Ngisho ke i-Chiefs
angenanga kumasemi i-Chiefs angenanga kumasemi i-Chiefs angenanga kumasemi i-Chiefs angenanga kumasemi i-Chiefs angenanga kumasemi i-Chiefs angenanga
Angeke nintwana ifuture. Abantu bayicreditera yamela Tibo abana bathu bagiri utswantse lebelle uhlaba makhosi Tibo bathu ba utswantse lebelle re ba win league jwang how can you win league mara o sana le team tse dingwe di feditse di game mara wena o sana le game in hand ka league mara o wina jwang league mara batho ba feditse di game kosi mara ba feditse di game it doesn't matter the game bona Tibo